The Pi network second migration is expected to start soon. However, it is important for pioneers to prepare before the migration to avoid being scammed. If your account or Pi wallet was once compromised, it is important that you fix it before the migration starts. For instance, if you once pasted your passphrase in any arbitrary app, they already know that second migration will soon occur. If you don't fix your account, once your Pi is migrated into the compromised wallet, these fraudsters can steal your Pi. In preparation for the second migration, if your wallet is compromised, it is advisable that you create a new wallet and verify it. The point is that you must verify your wallet through two-factor authentication to avoid being scammed. In this video I will show you how to do it. Open your Pi mining app. Click on the three dots at the top left and click on Mainnet. Scroll down and click on your Mainnet checklist. When it opens you can see step 3, confirm your wallet. The message here reads thus: you have confirmed the wallet, but you need to finish the two-factor authentication process to be migrated. What this means is that you need to confirm your wallet and also do the two-factor authentication. Click on Start. Here you are expected to enter your secured wallet passphrase to confirm the wallet. Once you do that, a confirmation code will be sent to your email address. Open the mail and click on Verify. This email is from the Pi network. Click Allow. Click Open. Once the verification is successful, you will receive this page with the following message: you have successfully verified your wallet. Your Pi rewards will be migrated to this address. Click on Go Back. You can go back to your Mainnet checklist to see. Click on Mainnet checklist. Yes, you can see that everything is confirmed. This is what you need to do in preparation for the second migration. Thank you for watching.